In today's digital landscape, social media platforms have become powerful spaces for self-expression, learning, and personal growth. The TikTok account at Wusenpai69 represents a modern example of how creators can blend entertainment with meaningful messages, especially in the realm of body positivity and self-acceptance. Through a consistent stream of dance, lifestyle, and fitness-oriented content, this creator demonstrates that confidence is not defined by perfection, but by authenticity. Each video reflects a willingness to embrace individuality, encouraging viewers to appreciate their bodies not for how they compare to others, but for what they are capable of. This perspective aligns with a growing global movement that promotes healthier relationships with body image. What makes this content particularly impactful is its accessibility. Rather than presenting unrealistic standards, the creator shares relatable moments, whether it's progress in fitness, casual daily routines, or simply enjoying movement through dance. These elements subtly educate the audience. Self-care is not about extreme transformation, but about consistency, self-respect, and patience. In an era where social media can create pressure to look a certain way, accounts like this offer a refreshing alternative. They remind viewers that confidence can be built step by step, and that every body has value. This message is especially important for younger audiences who are still shaping their self-image and understanding of beauty. Ultimately, the success of this account goes beyond viral trends or follower counts. It lies in its ability to inspire a mindset shift, one that prioritizes self-acceptance, encourages movement as a form of joy, and frames fitness as a personal journey rather than a competition. By combining engaging visuals with a positive message, the creator contributes to a more inclusive and supportive online environment. This is not just content for entertainment. It is content with purpose, empowering individuals to feel comfortable in their own skin while continuing to grow, learn, and evolve.